At MercDrive, we believe that we can maintain a relationship with our customers. So we have the time and the energy to sit with them and understand them. We want them to be part of our family and grow with us. We'll go the extra mile for our customers, and that's why our slogan, "We strive for your drive," is there.
Van jong tyd af het ons maar meganiese goeders gedoen en toe het ek 'n baie goeie offer gekry om vir Mercedes-Benz te gaan werk. Ek was omtrent so 15, dit gaan seker nou ja, so plus minus 15 jaar wat ek by hulle was. Ek het deur al die training gegaan wat nodig was om so ver as moontlik te kom, want ek hou baie van hoe goeders werk en hoe goeders bymekaar kom. So meeste van die tyd het ek maar meer gaan self navorsing doen en self goeders, want as jy nie verstaan hoe ietsie werk nie, gaan jy nie regtig weet hoe om dit reg te maak of sulke goed nie. So dit het my baie geïntrigue, as ek dit so kan sê. En ek dink dit het my baie verder gevat. Tot vandag toe, ek leer elke liewe dag ietsie. En dit is amazing. Vir my is die beste gevoel as jy 'n kar reg maak wat almal mee sukkel en jy kry die kar reg. Dis die beste kickback wat jy ooit kan kry. En om 'n kliënt 'n satisfaksie te gee dat jy sy kar reg maak, dis die beste ding ooit.
What I love about working at MercDrive and the setup is that it is more like a family. We really care for each other, and there's never a day that would go by where our managers or our technicians would not look out for each other. So the support structure is here, and it's the passion that they have for their brand and the company MercDrive that they show towards us, the employees.
So the passion came in that when I started with my apprenticeship, we used to only do like services, and then obviously the way you grow, they send you on training, you start learning the systems and carrying on. And I like it to be challenged every way going forward. At the end of the day, that is what makes us and breaks us. If you bring your car in and you tell me that no one can get the fault, that is where I'm getting challenged. I'm intrigued and I want to find the fault on your car, and I'm going to go look and get your car sorted out. If I don't like failing. It is not in me to, you know, sort of not get the right to fix a car.
We started MercDrive a year ago, and we're very excited with our new branch, Cresta, that opened up. So at MercDrive, we strive for our customers to ensure that we give the best quality and cleanliness in our work, services, repairs and maintenance. So within MercDrive, we believe that our staff needs to be happy and they have to work in a happy environment. Here at MercDrive, we want a relationship with our customers where we can actually sit and talk to them, understand them, see where they're coming from. We want this to be a family business, not a number.
My name is Foster Rose. I'm working for MercDrive. My job description is workshop quality flow controller. I'm enjoying to work to clean workshop and to wash cars because I'm not well educated, but I'm willing to learn everything every time. When they are fixing cars, I'm willing to learn.
Ons visie vorentoe is om 'n klompie van hierdie werkswinkels te hê. Ons wil die beste mense vorentoe saam ons bring. Soos ons span is baie tight. Jy sal sien al die mense wat vir ons werk is mense wat ons al 'n rukkie lank ken. Ons werk al 'n paar jaar saam met hulle en ons vertrou hulle. So dit is die groot visie vir ons, is om vorentoe te gaan en te expand. En sonder kliënte sou ons nie 'n tweede winkel oopgemaak het soos ons het nie. Ons wil eventually, as 'n kliënt inloop in die Kaap en hy loop in 'n MercDrive in, moet hy dieselfde gevoel kry wat hy hier kry in Fourways en dieselfde gevoel kry in Cresta. So hulle moet weet daar is 'n paar van hierdie dealers oralste.
It's everything. It's the problems and the fixing of it. Like, you get a complicated problem and you spend time, hours, sometimes days, and eventually when you actually do fix it and you get it right, the excitement and the passion that comes from that, it's really exhilarating and it really gets you going, and it just makes you want to do it more often and, you know, help people fix their problems. Like, that's what we do here. People have problems, they bring it to us and we solve it for them.